Okay, dude, here's what your computer looks like from the inside. What it really comes out to be, the problem is right here. As you can see, I can move it away. There's a little tang that's supposed to be on this side. As you can see, it's now in place, which I have the stuff to fix it, but I need some adhesive, and I'll come in and get that from you, but I'll show you this so you understand why I need it. Other than a little bit of cleaning up, a little dusting, everything should go pretty well okay. There's my debris field. Actually, it's not a bad debris field. So, what I'll do is bring this in and show you what your computer looks like from the inside and get that stuff from you. Alright? Talk to you later. Bye.